Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to add a clock on desktop Windows 11. First, right-click any empty space on your taskbar and select Taskbar Settings. Locate the Widgets toggle within the Taskbar Items section. Make sure this toggle is switched to the On position. This action places the dedicated Widgets button directly onto your taskbar, ready for use. Now that the Widgets button is visible, click its icon on your taskbar. This action instantly opens the Widgets panel, sliding in from the left side of your screen. Look for the Add Widgets button, often represented by a plus icon, at the top right of this panel. This area is where you begin personalizing your widget selection. Click the Add Widgets button to bring up a list of all available options. You may need to scroll down slightly to locate the clock widget. Once you spot it, simply click the small plus sign next to clock. This action immediately adds the time-telling widget to your main widgets panel, making it visible and ready to use. After adding the clock, you can further customize its display. Click the three horizontal dots located in the upper right corner of the clock widget. From this menu, you can choose to resize the widget to a larger or smaller view. You also have options to potentially add more world clocks, tailoring it to your needs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.